If you're looking to integrate Apollo.io with Salesforce, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of syncing these two powerful tools, ensuring your sales and marketing teams are on the same page, with all your data in one place. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial to Apollo.io with some special bonuses. Apollo.io is a great platform for lead generation, outreach, and sales automation. By integrating it with Salesforce, you're opening up a whole new level of efficiency, where your lead and contact data sync seamlessly between both systems. This integration will help you automate workflows, track your leads in real time, and ultimately make smarter business decisions. To start with the integration, you'll need to connect your Apollo.io account to Salesforce. First, log into your Apollo.io account and navigate to the settings. Under the Integrations tab, find Salesforce and click Connect. Apollo.io will prompt you to log into your Salesforce account and authorize the integration. This step ensures that Apollo.io can access and update the data in your Salesforce CRM. Once connected, you'll want to configure what data gets synced. Apollo.io offers several sync options, such as syncing leads, contacts, and accounts directly to Salesforce. This means that every time you gather a new lead in Apollo.io, it will automatically show up in your Salesforce CRM, ready to be followed up with. Next, you'll configure your Salesforce fields to match Apollo.io's lead and contact data. You want to make sure everything is mapped correctly so no data is lost in translation. Typically, this includes things like lead names, email addresses, job titles, and company names. The sync is highly customizable, so you can map the fields based on what's most important to your business. The great thing about this integration is that it works both ways. Any updates you make in Salesforce can also be pushed back into Apollo.io. For example, when you update a contact's information in Salesforce, Apollo.io will reflect that change, keeping your marketing and sales data always up to date. Another useful feature is automation. With this integration, you can set up automatic workflows. For instance, once a new lead is captured by Apollo.io, it can be added to a specific Salesforce campaign or be assigned to a sales rep for follow-up. This automation speeds up the sales process and ensures no leads fall through the cracks. And don't worry about technical difficulties. You don't need to be a developer to get this working. The integration setup is straightforward, and both Apollo.io and Salesforce provide support if you run into any issues. Now here's the exciting part. If you haven't tried Apollo.io yet, you're in luck. You can get access to the platform for free from the first link below, and we've also arranged for some exclusive bonuses that'll make your experience even more valuable. So, if you're serious about maximizing your sales and marketing automation with Apollo.io and Salesforce, don't miss this chance to get started without spending a dime. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate Apollo.io with Salesforce, how to sync your leads and contacts, and how to automate workflows to make your business run more smoothly. Plus, you'll have access to an extended free trial with Apollo.io, giving you a chance to fully explore the platform without any risk. Don't forget to hit that link below for your exclusive free trial and bonuses.